Hey guys, today I want to walk you through the process of planting potatoes. It's really easy and one of my favorite vegetables to plant because everything happens underground and you never know what you're going to get until it's time to harvest. First, you need to find a spot that gets plenty of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours, or preferably all day if possible. I plant mine in a raised bed that gets sun all day. Next, make sure your soil is the right consistency. Potatoes like light and fluffy soil since they grow their tubers underground and need space to expand. Use a digging fork or a shovel to work the soil up. If you have heavy clay soil, consider planting in raised beds to control the type of soil you use. After preparing your soil, add a starter fertilizer since potatoes thrive in fertile soil. I use an organic option and sprinkling it over the top before working it in by hand. Potatoes prefer a pH between 5 and 6, but they are quite adaptable. If your soil is very alkaline, consider adding some sulfur to lower the pH a bit. The next step is to prep the potatoes. Potatoes have little sprouts called eyes. If your potatoes are small, you can plant them whole, but if they are larger with multiple eyes, you can cut them into pieces. Let the cut pieces dry for a day or two before planting to help prevent rot. Now it's time to plant. I dig trenches about 4 to 6 inches deep and place the potatoes with the eyes facing up, spacing them about 8 to 12 inches apart. In raised beds, I plant them closer together. In rows, I space them further apart to give them room to grow larger. Once planted, fill in the trench, and the bed should look as it did before planting. For a raised bed, which is usually 3 feet wide by 6 feet long, I managed to fit 21 potatoes in 3 trenches. Water your potatoes regularly, especially during their flowering stage when they are forming tubers. I usually give mine a deep soak once or twice a week in the hottest part of summer, ensuring the top inch or two of soil dries out between watering. The frequency may vary based on your climate and soil type. That's all there is to planting potatoes. Harvesting is simple too. The plants will tell you when it's time. When they start to yellow, fall over, and die back, it's harvest time. Mark your calendar based on the maturity period of your potato variety and keep an eye out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.